Hey guys. I sound a little raspy. I had the flu for 6 days. It really stunk, whatever. But I'm feeling a lot better now. I just still have a little bit of a lingering cough. So if I cough a little bit, excuse me. But today's video is going to be my rolling 5-pan. I didn't do an update in December. December got crazy with the holidays and I just had a lot going on. So I didn't do an update, but I have an update now. I have finished an item. Yay. I finished up the Sonia Kashuk Soft Focus Satin Matte Foundation. Something like that. It's a really long name with a couple of names. So that's the foundation I finished up. So I have added in a new product, but let's go ahead and start with the items that I have been working on. So I have my Darn eyeliner, which I love. I'm really impressed with how long it's lasted. This is the Makeup Geek Nude Eyeliner. I use this only in my waterline. That's where I'm at with it. So on my little note card here, let me get it all lined up for you. That's where I'm at. So I feel pretty good about it. Yeah, I'm chugging away. This will be done by the end of 2018. Mark my words, it's happening. But yeah, I really like it and it's still performing just fine. I've been working on it for just over a year now. So yeah, it's all right. I've got my LaCroix here, so if my throat gets a little dry, I'll be okay. Let me know your favorite flavor of LaCroix. I'm talking like the normal ones, not the ones in like the tall skinny cans, like just like this is the Cran Raz, which is pretty darn good. I also like the passion fruit. I like most of them, to be honest. Anyway. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, since we're on eyeliner, Laura Geller Blackbird. This is the eyeliner I started to use after I used up my navy one. I am almost done with this. Can you guys even see the little nub? That's all I have left. I am so excited. So this honestly will probably last me a week. I did mark it on my card right here. There's like nothing on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm going to start another eyeliner. This is my last Laura Geller eyeliner. I am tempted to buy another 5-pack because they are really nice, but we'll see. I might just like grab a NYX one or something. I don't know. So this is the black one that I'm almost done with. This is a purple one. And I don't mind using kind of neutrally shades because I set my liner with eyeshadow every day. So right now, from my Pan That palette, I'm working on this like dark brown shade, Espresso. And that's what I use to set my liner. So even if I'm using a purple eyeliner, it'll deepen it up and it won't be like purple. It'll just be like a dark enough shade, which is fine because sometimes black is really harsh anyway. So anyway, this one is in deep purple and excuse me. This is how much we're starting with. So it's about the same size as that navy one, and that one took me a few months. So this is what I'm going to be working on after the black one. The black one is my priority. Now I did make a line here. This is how much I have, this much. So we will be updating once I actually start using it and it's, you know, being worn away. But anyway, I just want to let you know that's not the new item I'm adding in for that foundation, but I just thought I'd mention it. Okay, my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Now I have like two sizes. This is the 4 ounce, this is the 1 ounce. I decant or pour the stuff from in here into this one, and this is the one I keep in my drawer because it's less bulky, and then this goes into my Alex drawers over there. So what I did is I poured whatever I had left into here so I could measure it. This is where I'm at now. So in 2 months, that's pretty good. I'm all right with it. I use a setting spray every day. So it's just a matter of time before I finish it up. So anyway, I have, you know, poured it back in here. It's going to go right into my drawer. That's the setting spray I'm going to use every day. This one's going to go back into my other drawer. So feeling good about that. I've got an eyeshadow. This one is Urban Decay's Strange. Now my goal is to finish it up. It's also in my Pan That palette, which if you don't know I'm doing a Pan That palette, I'll have it linked down below. I started in December, so I've already been panning for a month. But anyway, I hit pan on this guy. My goal is to finish it up for both projects, for this one and for the other one. I know it's double dipping, but whatever, you guys. So yeah, I have a good pan here. Urban Decay Strange. This is from the Naked 3 palette. It's a matte cream, but it's kind of like a little bit of a pink to it, but like it's fine. So that's where I'm at. I've got a lot of pan. The sides here are pretty thin. So I'm working on finishing this guy up. I would really love to have it finished up by next month. We will see. But yeah, I'm doing good on that one. All right, so the new item to this project is my Essence 2-in-1 eyeshadow and liner. This was an item that I was working on in all of 2017. This is like the sticky shadow base. This is the only one I have, the only one I use. So basically I just draw it on my eye and then I kind of take my finger and blend it out just so it's not like obnoxious. And then I stick my shadow. So like today I have on the Urban Decay, this shade, which is super sparkly. This is Dust from the Naked 3. It literally has dust that goes everywhere. So I wet my brush, like rub it in there and pack it onto my lid with this sticky base, and that's what, like, that's how I can use it. So I want to finish this guy up. I don't have that much left, but I don't use that much every day, so, you know, that's part of it. So that's all I have. I do have a little mark on here. Where is it? Here we go. Let's get this all lined up. This is a two-hand job. Put the cap down, Maggie. So, you know, doing all right. So that's the line right there that we're going to be watching. So, yeah, that is the 5th item. And, yeah, that's it. I am still really excited about this project. I think I've finished up like 29 or 30 items. I have my victory list down below. You can check it out. I'm coming up on 2 years. May will be 2 years of this particular project pan, which is like crazy, but because it's a rolling and it's only 5 items, it doesn't really feel like it's a lot. So I would definitely recommend it if you're someone who did a lot of project pans and now you just don't have as many products. Rolling is the way to go. Like as soon as you finish up one thing, you just add in one more. It's not as intimidating as picking like 10 items or 20 items for this particular project. So anyway, that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you're panning down below. If you have new project pans for the year, I want to see them, so let me know. But that's all I have, so I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.